Now, regularly, I don't think you get to pick the theme of your box, but because this was my first box, they let me pick the theme, and I went with the Caribbean theme. I thought that would be the most interesting. They have a small box that's supposed to come with 5 or 6 items, and that box, I believe, is $15. And then they have a medium-sized box, which is $27, and that box is supposed to come with about 10 items, and I'm thinking that that's probably the size box that we have right here. So the first thing is these strawberry crunchies. They look like cheese puffs, but strawberry flavored. They're just little red round puffy balls. It is 100% just a strawberry flavored cheese puff, which is one of the most incredible ideas. I can't believe we don't have these over here. The next item that we got is Bigfoot spicy chips. Oh my goodness. They're huge. These are so spicy, but these are absolutely addicting. They are so full of flavor. So the next one is just some banana chips in a bag. I'm not going to try these because I think we've all seen banana chips before. So the next type of chip they gave us is chicken chip. And these ones look like a hollow French fries. And they taste like chicken a little, but like weirdly seasoned chicken. Exceeding my expectations. Those chips were like so freaking good. All of them were really differently flavored, and they all tasted so delicious and crunchy. And we get to the bottom of our box, and it's just this big, huge thing filled with chocolates. So here we have a little thing of cookies, some little vanilla flavored cookies. We also have a ginger biscuit, and a ginger biscuit looks like this. This one's weird and definitely probably an acquired taste. If you like ginger, you will love these, but I don't know that I would ever think to put ginger in a biscuit. It's literally a ginger flavored biscuit cookie. Next thing we have, they actually gave us 3 of, is these little coconut snacks. These I'm really excited to try. Just looks like a weird coconut bite. It totally tastes just like coconut and pineapple. It's perfect. All right, so next thing we have is a chocolate covered biscuit. Yeah, chocolate biscuit. Actually looks beautiful. That 100% just tastes like a chocolate covered cookie. And lastly, we have 4 chocolate bars. One of them is Tiki Gold Coconut Craze. This is seriously so good. It's like a coconut flavored Kit Kat bar, but giant. It's interesting. It's way different than I expected it to be. So far, all of these have had a magical flavor. The only one I really didn't like was that ginger flavored biscuit. For $27, this is seeming to be a very good subscription box. All right, next candy bar is Cat. This one tastes exactly like a 100-gram bar, and it looks exactly like a 100-gram bar. Then we have Coco Crisp. This one looks almost the same. This is seriously so good. The inside of this one, it's pretty much like a 100-gram bar, but instead of having the caramel inside, this is like a coconut cream. It's so good. Our final chocolate is called Knuckle, and I think it shows it has peanuts in it. And yes, it looks like a peanut bar. This one I didn't like as much because I'm not a fan of peanuts, but it wasn't awful. So that was my first box from them ever. I was super, super, super happy with everything in the box. I do feel like they send you a lot of stuff for $27. At first, when I was looking at it, it seemed kind of pricey, but they really stuffed that box as full as it possibly could be. So I don't think I have a problem with the price at all. Even though we're a makeup channel, I probably might still keep unboxing this if you guys like this. Or if it's just weird to hear me say that I like every single chocolate bar, then maybe this I won't do so much. But this was really fun because tasting all that chocolate was delicious. It really was. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope to see you again. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing.